Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the latest method to get Amethyst Launcher on your phone. The method is very simple, guys. It only takes 10 minutes, and after that, you can play Minecraft Java Edition on your mobile device. But before I show you every step, make sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get started. Okay guys, the first thing you need to do is grab your phone and open your browser, then search for tap2apps.com without any spaces. Make sure you type it exactly like I'm showing on the screen. Once you're there, search for the app and tap on it. After that, scroll down and click Get. The installation process will begin. It might ask you to complete a couple of steps, but don't worry. Just follow the instructions to complete them. Once you're finished, go back to your home screen and you should see the app ready to use. Pretty simple, right? Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need any help, just leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.